Patrol here. Hi, my little artists. Today we're going to draw and color Marshall and Chase. Start with me and draw Marshall first using our black color. That's right, black. Let's draw his nose, eyes, and keep going. His eyebrows and a big smile. Now his ears. Amazing! Here I'm drawing his suit. That's right. Now his paws. Now it's Chase's turn. First, I'm drawing his paws and then his face, his nose, his eyes, and that big, beautiful smile. Don't forget to draw his ears too. Well done! We are done with the drawing. It's time to color. Take your pencil colors and color with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's time to color Marshall. First, let's color his nose, eyes, and spots on his body with black. That's right, black. His nose, eyes, eyebrows, and those little spots all are black. Now, let's use blue for Marshall's eyes. Yes, blue. This part of his eyes is blue. And then pink for the inside of Marshall's ears. That's right, pink. Look at Marshall's funny hat. What color is it? Do you know? That's right! Red! Just like his outfit. Red is the perfect color for his hat. Now, let's color color the Paw Patrol symbol on his hat with dark blue. What do you think? That's so nice! Let's go to Marshall's outfit. First, let's color the symbol on his chest a yellow color. That's right, yellow. And finally, let's color his outfit and bag red. That's right, red, just like his hat. Well done! Don't forget to color his bag too. Excellent! Now, whose turn is it? All right, Chase. Hello, Chase. Let's color you. We are going to use our black color for this part of his eyes and nose. That's right, black. Black for his eyes, nose, and eyebrows. For these parts of his eyes, we are going to use our brown color. That's right, brown. And now, let's color his body with light brown. Do you have a light brown color? Take it and color with me. I'm so happy to be here with you kids. Drawing and coloring is so much fun. I'm coloring his face and paws light brown. For the rest of his body, let's use dark brown. That's right, dark brown. Kids, did you see? Marshall is black and white, but Chase is brown. Dark brown and light brown. What's next? Oh, I see. We didn't color his uniform. What color should we use? How about orange? Yes, we are going to use our orange color. And inside of his ears are pink. Let's finish his uniform's color. We used our orange. Now it's time to use our blue. That's right. Perfect. I'm so proud of you kids. For this part, I'm going to use a light blue. Let's add some shadows. Excellent job! For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Bye!